Hey y'all, it's Kathy Joe back again with Crafting with Kathy. This is the Chic for Cheek challenge. The host is Christie at Christie Creates, and the co-host is Leanette at DIY Beauty on Purpose. I'm sorry, my husband is hammering outside. But anyway, it was supposed to be things that inspire us. And first and foremost, you see that cross? The good Lord above, Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior, who died for our sins. He inspires me more than anything. And then my husband, my children, my parents. But I'm so excited about this collaboration. I love Christy. She's amazing. She's so sweet. Y'all definitely need to check out her channel and Leanette, because I love her too. Talk to her on Instagram a lot. She is just the greatest person, sweetheart. Helped me out tremendously. When I asked, is there anything I'm doing wrong, she gave me input. I ended up getting equipment, made my videos a lot better. But this is a boho video. I know I'm talking a lot, but this mirror here behind me, I saw that at my dentist office, and that inspired me. I loved it, fell in love with that. These leaves, it's just things that I've seen different places that I absolutely adore. And that thing I saw on Instagram, absolutely beautiful, and I can't find it now for y'all to compare it to. But boho is of the earth, and natural things and a lot of stuff like that. And I know a mirror isn't natural or whatever, but you know what I'm saying. And I love boho, so I decided to make a video, and I told y'all that I would anyway. So that's what my video is about. Sorry with all the jabbering, but please check out everybody in the list. I know that they may not be somebody you watch all the time, but they may be someone that inspires you. You may end up liking them, because let me tell you what, doing these crafts is a job. It's a full-time job. And y'all may see, 20 minutes of a video or whatever, but sometimes these things take days to make. And so these gals, or I don't know if there's any guys in it, but have put in a lot of hard work for y'all to see this. So, go in there and back them up and subscribe and like and just support them. So y'all have a great day. I love all my subscribers. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. And one of my subscribers made me this. Look, Crafting with Kathy Joe. What's a celebrity crafter established 2020. Isn't that great? From Carol Ann. I appreciate her. She wrote a book. Y'all need to check it out. Anyway, I'll put that in the description box below. So I'll shut up and quit gabbing, and let's get on with the video. Okay, right here I have the hoodoo skirts from the Dollar Tree. You can use the raffia. I have raffia from Walmart and Dollar Tree, and I maybe should have went that route. That stuff breaks really easy, but I'm showing you here how to. It's called a oh my gosh, I always know stuff until I start editing these videos. It's called a square knot. Anyway, and what you want to do whenever you do this, I'm trying to show you slowly. If you make 2 loops, you want to run, well, you see what I'm doing, but you want to go left, right, because otherwise it will just go in like a circle, which would kind of be cool. But anyway, I'm showing you there that I made 2 of them, but I'm trying to show you here again how I do it. So I tuck it under, and then I make another little knot. You just fold your little piece in half that you cut. You cut them whatever size you want, whatever length you want, because I don't think anybody's going to want theirs as big as mine, but that's just what I wanted. And I believe these are going to stay here in my house. I'm pretty sure. That's how much I like them. Anyway, again, just trying to show you how I do it. Here, I'm always fumbling around. It actually goes really fast after you get the hang of it. It's no big deal. You're like, alright. So I just took my hair pick there, which I probably need to use it on my hair. That actually looks like my hair. Anyway, and just gonna comb it through to try to get all the pieces separated out together. And I don't know what that bright light was. Maybe UFO. No. So what I'm doing right here is just giving it a haircut, trimming it up to the size that I want it, getting rid of all that excess. Anyway, this is a collaboration, and it is Christie with her paid channel is Christie Creates. She's a host, and a co-host is Leanette DIY Beauty on Purpose. These ladies are amazing. Make sure you check out their videos, because I'm sure you will be happy. So anyway, I just taped it down there. Why I gave you a thumbs up, I have no clue. Well, then I realized I had to tie it. Tie that up so your stuff don't go anywhere. And then you're going to want to pull the extra raffia, hula skirt, whatever, up towards the top to make the point of your leaf. So, here, what I'm going to be doing, I don't know what's in my hand. What is that? Oh, it's painter's tape. Anyway, I know, here I am with my sexy clothes on. Mod Podge. Mod Podge it is. So, for that size, I took about 2 tablespoons of Mod Podge, I'd say approximately, and a tablespoon of water. And I mixed them together. And I'm going to take a little paintbrush, mix that all up, and paint my little leaf there with it. And that will help your end stay up also. Y'all know I don't like Mod Podge. I found my Loctite, but you don't really want to use it on this. So, there you go. You see what I'm doing there? I'm making the end of the little leaf thing stand up there. This is boho, and boho to me is earthy, like things that are natural. I know that that hula skirt wasn't natural, but you know what I'm saying. So I got one little mirror from the Dollar Tree. I saw the most beautiful mirror at my dentist office, believe it or not, and it was much bigger, and I plan on making one much bigger. And I got a piece of foam board. I'm just going to cut it. I went over 10 inches and cut it that way, and then I cut, wait a minute, then I cut that 10 inches. Yeah, that one of those little squares, 10 inches. I cut 2 pieces. I had a different plan originally on how I was going to do it, but that's not what happened. I ended up going a different route, so just ixnay the second part unless you just want to make it sturdy. And I'm telling you there, and I'm pointing at you, and I don't know why. So, yeah. I'm cleaning up my craft room. I know it don't look like it, but I am. So I got an old plate. I had a 3-tiered tray made out of. Look at them pretty pants. That's my dad's pants. And I think my mom's shirt, my dad's shirt, I don't know. I always steal their clothes because they're a little bit baggier on me and they're more comfortable. So anyway, now I'm just standing here. I have no clue what I'm doing. Oh, so my bright idea was to take wood glue and super glue and take my little sticks and glue them down with that. That was an epic fail. You'll see me give up on that, and it's just strictly, did I say super glue again? Daggone it. Glue gun, whatever. Anyway, I'm just cutting that off to make it more, excuse me, more round. And then I'm going to sand it just to knock all those edges off, not to get it round or anything. But I just didn't want a big square thing, and you could see sticks through it. And I set my glue gun on high. And there I am with the bright idea of wood glue and hot glue. the name of it again. And I'm just going to start laying my sticks down. I love this thing. I just absolutely adore it. Everybody's got their own taste, but this thing to me, I don't know. I love it. You know, to each his own. So I'm just gluing sticks on, and then if you have little spots that you can see, you can just break up little teeny tiny pieces of stick and just squeeze it in them little spots. I have plenty of sticks in my yard, so I didn't have to worry about going anywhere and finding them. But if any of you guys like live in an apartment to where you don't have any trees or anything like that, go to your local park, pick up sticks. I'm sure that they won't mind if you're cleaning up their mess. Sorry about the background noise. Anyway, so you just keep gluing sticks all the way around until you like it. Oh, I used all different kinds of sticks. Sticks going every different direction, sticking out, bent, everything. But I just kind of like that wild, natural look of it. And there it is with more sticks. Now, you need a big area. I should have gotten in the floor, but I didn't because I don't have any common sense sometimes. So I just kept bumping into sticks and breaking sticks off and causing a bigger mess. There it is part way done. So I decided to take jute twine because of course you're going to want to cover that up. The one at the doctor's office wasn't, but mine isn't as pretty and as professionally done. But I like it. I love it. So the first round of jute twine, I just go around the very edge there where the sticks are to cover up the unevenness and stuff like that. When I do the second round, you'll see here in a bit, I kind of go underneath that first bit to cover it all up. Now, when you wrap your jute twine, and then I think I cut it off and tucked it. I did. And then you keep wrapping it, but it's good to stick it to the stick, but also get it on the rope because you're going to want to stick it to the rope too to make sure it stays. And I just wrapped it till I liked it. So right here, I'm kind of doing the same thing I did with the feathers, but I'm doing it with jute twine. And I'm going to show you, look at my dog laying down there by my feet, bless her heart. She was laying on that dang cookie sheet. I thought I deleted that part. Probably kept the right part, deleted the wrong part. Always do. So you just cut your twine, cut as much, yep, that's what I did. Cut as much as you like, as long as you like, and you just keep going until you get the amount that you want. Look at me smiling. I don't know why I'm so happy. I'm happy all the time. I'm just the happiest thing in the whole wide world. I'm so sorry my video is late, Christy. I'm so sorry, Leanette. I'm so sorry. I love you guys to death. Forgive me, forgive me. So I'm showing you guys there again how to do it a little bit. I'm going to show you just a tad again. So go left, right, left, right, left, right when you do it. You make a little, just bend your rope in half. Run it through each hole, slide it up. You bend it again, slide it under there. You have to slide it under there, otherwise it would just not attach to anything. It'd just be a square knot on its own. And then put the other side through, grab your 2 strings, and ba-bam! There you go, you got it. So see, it's really simple, and then you get to where you're just going so fast. There, I did it with That I was looking for my cotton twine. I was trying to do everything from the Dollar Tree with Dollar Tree stuff. I couldn't find it. So that is macrame cord. I believe it's 1 millimeter. Excuse me. And I got a dog brush there, and I'm just brushing it all out, and I'm giving it a haircut. I did the same thing with the jute twine and everything. So I made 2 white leaves and the 1 brown leaf. That's jute twine. Gee whiz, excuse me. There it is. There's that macrame cord. Sorry, tried to make it all Dollar Tree and couldn't. There it is. Isn't that cute? Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. Come on. You know it is. Just like it. So there is the bigger one that I made, my big old leaf out of the raffia. And I got one of those great big old long skewer sticks, and I'm just gonna glue it to the back, the line where you actually attach all the other raffia to. So gluing that bad boy down. There. Oh, well, I did use the shorter skewer stick on the smaller leaf, but there it all is, said and done. Isn't it pretty? I am in love with that. I added beads to it. I don't know what happened to that part. I must have not added it in. I don't know. Y'all know me. And I tied it to a stick and put nautical rope on it, and that's how I'm hanging it. I put nautical rope on the back of my mirror there, and then my husband just put 2 little nails in those. Isn't it pretty? And then I did a little pumpkin there with flowers. But anyway, I love that. Y'all have a great day. God bless, and I shall talk to you later. Bye.